Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps making changes to contacts on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And in here you go down to the Privacy section and tap on Contacts. Next we put in the screen time passcode. In here you can choose to allow changes or don't allow changes. If we select don't allow changes, then it says that disallowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevent new apps from using your contacts. And if you choose don't allow changes, in here you can choose which app will be able to make changes to contacts. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.